Let's discuss about difference between big trader and small trader. You know, a lot of traders posting trade profits in social media are small traders, and most of them show 5,000, 10,000 or 15 profits. Trading based on pattern identification, which is not only enough to make bigger profits. A big trader does not look at this nonsense. He looks for a much bigger picture. Why? Because you cannot make money just by looking at some intraday candle bars and charts. The important element is conviction or prediction in your trade. Scenario building. How do you get conviction? You will only get the conviction when the macro news or sector news is trying to drive the market. Example: if crude is down due to oil market crash, definitely oil sector stocks like Reliance, HPCL will be down like 10 to 20%. Big traders don't care what technicals at that moment, and the way big money is made when you are holding on to a certain belief. Example: religion. You believe certain things and you keep following them and have conviction that this works. So when you develop that sort of conviction, then you keep holding on, and a lot of people will be looking where to look profits. Example: we had a 650 collapse on Nifty during March 9 due to the coronavirus oil crash by Saudi price reduction, and there would times things went up and down. Trailing stops would have killed the big profits. That is the difference between a big trader and a small trader. So a lot of people are being over smart by using trailing stops, which they are going to miss out on the big profit. Sort of trading the big trader follows is called macro trading. Macro trading is triggered by events, by scenarios where you construct an economic environment by looking at certain events like financial sector's troubles, oil price crash, war. These are all macro events. And a lot of money can be made by such macro events, so the message is that don't be that small trader whose stop loss hits every 10 points. And have the gumption on your position till they really work out as a big trader. Don't be an over smart small trader who looks at every candlestick in the chart and books small profits of 10,000 or 15,000, which is not going to change your life. What will change your life is 6, 7 or 8 figure profits. To form a conviction or prediction is not very difficult if you read enough economic newspapers. If you watch business channels all day long, you will understand basic economics. So unless you have that sort of conviction, you will remain a successful trader. So big trader will not be interested in what is the method of entry. But conviction is very important in life. Traders must form conviction, whether their convictions or predictions are right or wrong, or whether you agree with them or you don't agree with them, are better than people with nervousness and no conviction or opinion in what they are doing and thinking in life. So the advice for young traders is try to understand macroeconomy scenarios and have conviction in those scenarios. And also understand when your conviction is not working. Sometimes your conviction can be right, but the market is not looking at them. Example: Brent crude falling is positive for India. It is positive only the world economy is in good shape, so that is a foolish conviction people tend to have. If the market is going through a dislocation and you are trying to see positives, and that you are standing against a freight train coming at you. To summarize, make a scenario on certain things that you are expecting to happen, have conviction in your scenario, and that should be of your trade, and then use your technical charts, then use your stop and hold on till your conviction plays out. Okay. Example: if a trader was predicting a scenario, the market may go down, and you saw it worked, and small trader could have gotten out the market moment it opened, but what big trader knew that this is going to be the big one, he will wait for conviction to play out. Big profits cannot be made if you don't develop convictions, predictions, knowledge and the ability to question things. big traders like Jesse Livermore, George Soros, Richard Dennis, Paul Tudor Jones, John Paulson had their own conviction and succeeded in trades.